Guys, Genius here for another video, and today I will be doing a 300k pack opening. So let's see what we can begin with. Ooh! That Jets Clipical might go for a little bit of coin. Nice way to start off. Yeah, OC. So, I can't say that name. Okay, let's see what we get out of third pack. Courtney Upshaw. Not bad. Not bad. Hopefully this pack opening we can pull something better than from our couple ones. Ooh! Harris Jr. That actually might go for some coins, guys. So off this pack opening's been better than the last couple ones. Um, Already a great start. Let's see what else we can pull. I will be posting this on Wednesday. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for the 9 subs so far. This has been amazing being a YouTuber, even though I'm not a giant YouTuber. Hakeem Nicks won almost 100k out of the dream. Michael Vick, too bad it couldn't be his boss version. Maybe we'll pull boss version, maybe we won't. We'll just have to find out. Barry Corfield, garbage. 2 more packs and then we'll be done with this. $100k, and we got 2 collectibles that could go for some decent amount of coins. 200k left. Let's see what we can pull, guys. That's about, I believe, 25 packs. Antonio Cromartie, I do have his flashback, so all on the status, guys. During spring break, I will be upgrading my channel with my profile picture and my background, and they are coming out with the Easter promo in the premium pack bundle. That is what the bundle is. And you get 1 Easter egg, and I believe it's like what they did for Easter. I mean, Christmas, and it'll open on a certain day, so that should be interesting. Oh, Josh Norman! I want his signature so bad, guys. Hey, there you go. Finally, 150k, 1 elite, and 2 collectibles. Garbage. Come on. Let me pull something big. And I will be doing another quick sell video after this with all the golds and elites I get from this. So look forward to that, guys. Doug Free, Juicy No Tackle. Now there's speculation going around saying if you have a bronze lineup or bronze and silver, you have a better chance of pulling elites. And I'm not sure if I should test that out or not, but I'll see. Almost at 100k. Come on, guys. My pack luck has been bad lately. Nothing good. Come on. Trey Boston. Come on. Villa. 10 more packs. Let's see what we can pull. Super Elite. Vanny Curry. Ooh! Tameen Hall. That's a decent pickup right there. I will be doing hopefully this spring break I will be doing a flashback pack, and hopefully I'll get enough elite trophies from these packs, the upgrade packs. If not, I'll see what I can do, guys. Deshaun Jackson, his flashback card is a monster. If you have a budget squad, I would recommend picking him up. Nick Foles. It's only 2 elites, guys, with 4 packs left. Come on. Jay Cutler, I think he does have a flashback. One more pack, guys. Real Fred Davis. Well, that's all, guys. Like and subscribe and join the Genius Army today. Peace.